In this video, I am going to show you one simple formula which has multiple application. For example, you have this kind of data, and suppose for this column you want to find the average value. For this column you want to find the number of counts. For this column you want to find the sum. So how can we achieve this one with the simple formula or the simple command? So for that, first you have to select your data table, then you have to press Ctrl T. This will open the create table window. Then you have to press the OK. Now this will open the table design tab. There you have to select total row. This will add the total in the last row. Now for this row you have to click this one, drop down. Now for suppose this column I want to find the average, so it will add the average. For this column I want to find the count, so this will add the number of counts. For this column, suppose I want to find the maximum value. For this, minimum value. For this, sum. So using this simple technique you can do multiple mathematical applications in seconds. I hope this video would have helped you. Thank you.